Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this set of candle holders using items from the Dollar Tree. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make them. Alright y'all, let us get started. So first off, what you're going to need, one of these candle holders from Dollar Tree. Now I have 3 because I'm going to be making 3. You make however many you like, but for me, I'm going to be making 3. So you're going to need one of these. You're going to need some painter's tape. Now you can get painter's tape pretty much anywhere. Lowe's, Home Depot, any hardware store, Walmart carries it. This particular kind came from Dollar Tree because I'm trying to keep it as Dollar Tree friendly as possible. I think everything here is Dollar Tree except for the spray paint. You're also going to need some of these wooden dowels. Dollar Tree, of course. These are the 6-inch ones. Now they do have some, that are fairly long, but for this particular craft, I'm going to be using the 6-inch ones. Now I'm not 100% sure how many of these I'm going to be putting on these little candle holders. I'm going to say 8. Okay, I'm going to say that I'm going to use 8 of these per candle holder. So I'm going to paint 24 of them, okay? And for the paint, I'm going to be using this Bright Coat Copper. This is from Rust-Oleum. It's their metallic finish spray paint, and I got this at Walmart. But first off, what we are going to start doing with our painter's tape is we're going to find the end. Oh my gracious, I just had it. I lost it. Maybe I didn't have it. I don't know. Hold on a second. I got it. All right, well, that was a pain in the behind. All right, so what I'm going to do with this, and yes, I'm going to take the labels off here in a minute. Label police, don't come after me. Mind your business. But I'm going to take this tape, and we're going to tape off the part that we do not want touched by the paint. So I'm going to paint these. Well, I want the paint to be about halfway up, like right here. So I'm just going to take some of this tape. That looks good. Then just lay it on here and just try to smooth it down. And like all of the little nooks and crannies and the little bumpies here. Let's just go ahead and tear this off. I'm trying to get this even. I don't think I got it even. I don't think I did. Oh, well, I did. Never mind. I did. I got it. I'm okay. So you really, really just want to, press this down on the edges so that the paint doesn't, ooze up through it and, give you a jaggedy looking edge. But I'm going to put that layer there, and then we're going to do another one around the top. Like I said, to keep the paint off of it. Now I'm sticking it all together. Oh, this is the one part I do not miss about renovating houses. Is using painter's tape and drop cloths and all that. And, I don't miss that one bit. But anyway, just press it down like so. And now I'm going to do the same thing with these other 2 holders. And then I'm going to take them outside because it is a beautiful day here in the Blue Ridge Mountains of North Carolina. And I'm going to spray paint them with this. And then I'm going to take out 24 of these and spray paint those as well. And then when the paint is all dry and ready to be used, we'll come back. Okay, so I took the tape off, and I am pretty happy with how these have turned out. I got paint all over my hands, but you know what? It's okay. It washes right off. But anyway, now what we're going to do is we're going to start gluing on our little wooden pieces here. All right, so I don't want these, flat. You see what I'm talking about? I don't want this flush with this line here. I want this to be sort of up like this, okay? So let me see. Let us get to something with which to measure. I had a rule. Where did my tape measure go? That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for my daggone tape measure. And I don't know where it went. Hold on a second. Here we are. Here we are. All right. So I've got a piece of paper here, and we're just going to go like from this top line. Let's see. Let's put it about right there. Yeah. That looks good to me. All right, so we got this top line here because I'm trying to get it as accurate as possible so that when I glue the sticks on the bottom and then they set up, they don't, wobble back and forth. That's where I'm going with this. So yeah, right about there. Just gonna put a little bit of hot glue. Now, if you wanted this to be just a little bit more sturdy, you could use some E6000. See, I want to put that like right about there. That looks good. Yes. Okay, now let that set up, and then I'm going to try to go directly across here and do the same thing right over here. I'm going to say right about there. Now let's get my little piece of paper here that I'm using to measure. We'll say about right there. Bring it down, and we're going to stick on another one. Try to get it just like right there at the top. Okay. And now I'm going to do that right here, and then come straight across and do it right here. That'll be 4, and then I'm going to go from here to here, here to here. You know, just trying to keep them even. But anyway, let me work on that, and I'll be back in a second. All right, so I have my 4 on here, and now we're just going to go in between those. Where is my piece of paper? I'm just trying to eyeball this to try to get it, you know, even. Let's see, right about there. I'm just going to put it evenly, or I'm trying to get it put out evenly, you know, between those there. Ah, it's crooked. Fix it. There we go. There we go. Now hold it in place. Hold it in place. Okay, so I've got that one. So now I'm just going to put one in between the others. Okay, so I need to get a little bit of that glue off of there, but this one is done. So let's set that over there. So now for this one, because I want these to be staggered in height, I'm going to glue this one starting at the top like that, okay? And then just evenly space them back and forth, just like we did on that one. So this will be a little bit easier because we're not really having to measure anything. Whee! Good Lord. Look at that line of glue, y'all. That's about as crooked as a politician. Look at that. But this will be easy because, like I said, we don't have to measure. We're just trying to get it flush with the top of our candle holder here. So let's go right here. Okay. And we're basically just doing the same thing like I said. So anyway, let me glue all 4 of these on, and then we'll come back and we'll do this last one. All right, now we're on our last one. And for this one, I think what I want to do is I want this one to be taller. So I think I'm going to glue this one about right down here. And that's what I'm going to do with it. Okay. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. Stick that down. Let's see how, oh, Amber, you got glue everywhere, baby. Ah, all right. We got it off there. We got it off. Crisis averted. Ah, Mayday. All right. So you have that one on there. And now we're going to do the exact same thing that we did over here. You know, back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, just evenly spacing them. I'm going to make another little mark on my piece of paper here to try to get them as evenly spaced as possible. And, then they should be done. I got paint all over my hands. But anyway, let me glue this, and then we'll come back and take a look at the lights that I'm going to put in them. Okay, so all 3 of these are done. Why is all this stuff here? I don't know. I don't know. Go. Shoo. So these lights are from Walmart. You know what? I love these. These are the flameless LED votives. They come in a 12-pack. I honestly can't remember how much they cost because I bought these a while back. So I don't know. But anyway, I like these. So we're just going to put those down in there, and they're done. We're going to get our fingers stuck. And they are done. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to get off some of these little hot glue gun straggly doohickeys here. And then I'm going to take a good photo for y'all so that you can see what they look like all together. So stick around after the video for that. But anyway, if you would, please give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which will be in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye!